Okay, bear with me. We're making another video. I got my footage to work. So there's the tee that we had. I'm just going to make a quick video because my other video shows the condition of the line. But this is from the upstream at the corner house on Queen Anne Avenue. We're going to get the footage of how long the liner would be between houses here. So we're zeroed out there at the end of the plastic. That's where our liner would start. Coming back towards the corner house now. Okay, so we're looking at about, we'll call it 38 feet of 6-inch pipe between the corner house and Newell Street, up out of the clean out, and back towards that broken section out in the road again. That's where it's broken. Again, we're going to zero that out. So coming back now towards the double sweep clean out in the 2620 driveway here. This is strictly for footage. I took a better video of the condition on my other video. Okay, so about 63 feet of 6-inch line from 63 feet of concrete line from these double sweep cleanouts at 2620 out to where it's broken out under the street out there. So ending this second video now.